This is so real. Tawa ba to? Ito yung mga misconception about sa tahimik eh. Sometimes your quiet presence says more than 100 words ever call. Hi, I'm Jess and welcome to my diary. Hi everyone, I am Jess and welcome to my diary. For today's episode, we will do things that quiet people think but rarely say out loud. And when I say quiet people, yung mga, tahimik, maybe you, yung mga ino-overthink lahat, nag-hesitate bago magsalita, who sometimes stay silent in a room full of noise. Yes. Not because wala naman tayong sasabihin, but dahil dami lang natin iniisip, ang lalim lang ng mga iniisip natin. We're feeling too much to say it out more. So, I want to share some things we often keep inside. Not because they are secrets, but because we just don't say them. But maybe we should, okay? First, we noticed. Yes, we noticed a lot. And since nga mas gusto natin mag-observe, makinig, mas madali natin makikita yung mga bagay-bagay sa paligid natin. We notice kapag nagbago yung mood, kapag may nale-left out sa conversations, o yung mga nag-e-effort sa convo or hindi, diba? And yung mga nagsasalita, yung mga parang hindi tayo pinapatapos magsalita. The one who talks over us. Okay? Kahit na sinubukan natin magsalita. But instead of calling it out, we stay quiet. Diba? We absorb. But that doesn't mean it doesn't affect us. Okay? Next. I have so many thoughts, but I don't know how to say them without sounding weird. This is so real. Sa isip kasi natin, ang dami nating sinasabi, ang dami nating gustong ilabas, pero kapag sinasalita natin siya, it feels like so weird. Kaya parang ang hirap din sa atin magsalita, diba? Ang hirap din mag-voice out na hindi naman siya nagsasound ng weird, no? Ayun nga, since marami tayo iniisip, may mga ideas tayo, sometimes yung utak natin, it kinds of messy, feel too big, too messy na mag-voice out pa. Okay? Kaya mas gusto na natin manahimik na lang. Third, I want to be included even if I don't always talk. That's so real. Yun nga yung sabi ko, latest episodes that I love it when people include me. Yun. So, yun nga, kasi hindi naman porket tahimik tayo is wala na tayong hindi na natin gusto makisali sa usapan nila, di ba? So, we love being invited, we love feeling welcome. Kahit nakaupo lang, ngumingiti lang tayo doon, okay na, we're happy to be there na, di ba? Yun lang. Silence doesn't mean disconnection. It's our comfort din naman din. So, ilan na to? So, 4, I replay everything in my head. Siguro lahat naman tayo. Pero kasi, mostly, ako din talagang replay lahat ng sasabihin ko, ginagawa ko, nire-replay ko siya. Wala, tawa ba to? Gano ba yun? Yun na, yung mga small conversations, yung mga moments natin, yung kung magsasalita ba, makikinig na lang, ganun. Or kung tumawa ba tayo ng malakas, or hindi pa, nagsasalita pa ba tayo ng enough pa ba? Or mag-speak up pa ba tayo, ganyan. Okay, so next. Silence doesn't mean I don't care. Ito yung mga misconception about sa tahimik sa mga quiet people out there, na kapag tahimik ka, wala ka nang paki sa mundo. Kapag tahimik ka, just uninterested, emotionless na. But the truth is, we feel a lot. Hindi lang natin alam kung paano siya i-share, ilalabas, sasabihin. Hindi natin alam yung mga right words, right terms na sasabihin sa moment na yun. So, ang kalalabasan is, nagmumukha tayong walang pake, nagmumukha tayong uninterested to that conversations. But no, we care so much na hindi na namin alam kung ano pa sasabihin namin, na natatakot na kami na bigla na lang, natakot kami na magsalita ng mali at the same time. Or worse, na hindi naman kami pakinggan, di ba? So, nangyari is, naging limited lang yung nalalabas natin. Sometimes, I wish people would ask me more. Yes. So, totoo lang. I mean, hindi naman lahat ng tao mag-a-adjust para sa akin, mag-a-adjust para sa atin. We also need effort for us. So, sometimes, pero at the same time, we really wish that people ask us, not just once, but more times. Like, minsan, tatanong ko, okay ka lang? Sabi ko, yeah, sige. Kasi, yun naman talaga. Kasi, na-train na ako doon na ganun na lang yung response sa questions na ganun. But, pag malaliman, kapag sobrang deep na talaga, kapag tinanong mo ko na, are you okay? Lalabas talaga lahat. We just need a little push din. And of course, sa sarili, push din natin sarili natin, of course. Hindi naman mahirap tayo maintindihan. Hindi naman tayo mahirap maintindihan. You know, we just need find the courage to open up din talaga. Thank you. So that's how it is. That's how it is, guys. Yan lang naman. Siguro marami pa siya. And maybe others don't really feel this. Pero, or meron pa silang more na hindi naman nalalabas pa. I think. Hindi naman pare-paras kasi. Pero mostly, ganito rin naman talaga. So, yun lang. Thank you. Yun pa lang naman yung sa akin din. I really base this din kasi doon sa mga personal na experience ko. Okay? Okay, so honestly, being quiet in a loud world can feel lonely. It can feel like you're always behind, like people don't take you seriously, or they forgot you're even there. But here's what I'm learning. Being quiet doesn't mean you're invisible. It means you move differently. It means your strength shows in softer ways, in kindness, attention to details, or your deep thoughts. But you don't have to speak the loudest to have something meaningful to say. Sometimes your quiet presence says more than 100 words ever could. So to all quiet peoples out there, I see you, I understand you, and I hope you learn to speak the truth, even in a whisper, because it still matters. Okay? Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Abangan nyo next episodes ko. Bye-bye!